Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the LCD touchscreen assembly on the iPhone 11. Before starting, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray. Next, take out the screen from the body. First, apply heat to soften the glue on the edges of the screen. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the front screen side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option. Leave it till the process completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, undo two bottom screws using a pentalobe screwdriver. Next, use a suction cup to lift the screen. Use the suction cup at the bottom to raise the screen and gently pull the screen to create a gap for inserting a plastic upright tool or triangular picker. Next, work around the screen to free up the rubber gaskets around the frame. This process will take time and needs patience. Once the screen is free, open the screen to a 90-degree angle from left to the right. Please note that the flex cables are still attached and be extra careful with them. Next, undo 5 screws to remove the LCD connector shield. Next, remove the battery connector shield by undoing 3 screws. Be gentle with the LCD cables while unscrewing. Once the shields are removed, first disconnect the battery connector. Then unplug the two LCD connectors, followed by the earpiece assembly plug from the logic board. Now free the broken screen from the body. At first, pull the earpiece and sense assembly from the broken screen. Undo 4 screws securing the earpiece assembly. Next, gently pry the flex cable from the screen. Apply heat to soften the adhesive. Be gentle with this process. While prying the flex cable, gently loosen the light sensor bracket in order to pull out the speaker and sensor assembly. Wiggle it to free the flex cable from the screen. This process is slightly challenging. Be gentle with the flex cable. Next, pull out the speaker and sensor assembly from the screen. Also, make sure to save the light sensor bracket. Next, on the new screen, place and secure the earpiece and sensor assembly. Be gentle with this process. Once the flex cable is in order, secure the light sensor bracket. Next, secure the earpiece assembly by adding 4 screws. Finally, the new screen is now ready for installation in the body. Next, add the pre-cut water seal adhesive to the frame. Please note that this tape will not completely protect the device against any liquid. Next, gently align the front screen assembly with the frame. Start by connecting the earpiece assembly plug. Then secure both LCD connector plugs. Once they are securely in place, reconnect the battery plug safely to the logic board. Next, turn on the device for testing. And then secure the LCD connector shield by adding 5 screws. And the battery connector shield by adding 3 screws. Next, install the screen. Begin by aligning the top edge of the display with the frame. Then gently press down to lock it in place. And work your way along the sides and bottom to snap the screen securely to the frame. Always apply even pressure along the edges to ensure proper seal. Finally, secure the phone by adding 2 screws to the bottom. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.